Hello, how you doing? Have you heard the term hyperparameters in the context of neural networks, and you're not quite sure you know exactly what this is? Well, if so, then watch along with me for the next few minutes, and I will quickly get you up to speed. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what are neural network hyperparameters? Neural network hyperparameters are external settings configured before training that influence the learning process. Unlike model parameters, they are not learned from data, but are essential for optimizing model performance. In simple terms, hyperparameters are like the dials on the machine determining how it operates and learns from data. When you're building a neural network, why should you care about hyperparameters? Well, hyperparameters have a direct impact on the efficiency and accuracy of the neural network model. Selecting the right hyperparameters can be the difference between a successful model and one that underperforms. Simply put, understanding hyperparameters is crucial to unlocking the full potential of your neural network model. What are some examples of hyperparameters? Well, key hyperparameters include network architecture, activation functions, learning rate, batch size, number of epochs, optimizers, dropout rate, and L1, L2 parameters. Each of these play a specific role in shaping the model's learning process and performance. To put it simply, these settings define how a neural network learns and adapts to data. Let's quickly talk about some of these key hyperparameters. The first category of hyperparameters falls under network architecture. This area covers your design decisions around the number of layers in your network. For example, how many hidden layers do you want? Do you want 2, 3, 10, for example? Once you decide on the number of layers, you need to determine the number of neurons per layer. Another part of network architecture is which activation functions you use. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity into your network. Common activation functions are ReLU, sigmoid, and tanh. These design decisions determine the shape and capacity of your neural network. The next category of hyperparameters involves training the neural network. The first hyperparameter in this category is the learning rate. This controls the step size during the optimization process. The next hyperparameter influencing training is the batch size. This determines the number of training samples used in one iteration before updating weights. The next hyperparameter in this category is the number of epochs. Epochs specify how many times during training the entire data set is passed through the network. The last hyperparameter I'm covering influencing training is the optimizer. This algorithm decision determines how the training process will update the weights of the network. There's a third category of hyperparameters referred to as regularization. The first hyperparameter in this category is the dropout rate. The dropout rate is the fraction of neurons to drop during training to prevent overfitting. Another set of regularization hyperparameters are L1 and L2, which penalize large weights in different ways. L1 encourages sparsity by driving weights to 0, while L2 shrinks weights smoothly. Both help to prevent overfitting. So in this video, I wanted to cover some of the most common hyperparameters. But just know there are other more advanced hyperparameters available if you need to tune your model even further. In essence, each hyperparameter has a unique role in guiding the model's learning journey. So with so many dials and knobs to tweak, how do you go about deciding which hyperparameters to tune? I am working on another video to share strategies to find the optimal hyperparameter settings. Keep an eye out for this if this sounds interesting to you. So summarizing, why are hyperparameters important for neural network systems? Well, hyperparameters are crucial as they determine how effectively a model learns. In short, mastering hyperparameters is essential for developing powerful neural network systems that drive innovation and solve complex problems. Let me know what you think of hyperparameters. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this topic. Okay, thanks for watching. This video, along with all the other videos in this playlist, are listed in the YouTube description. I invite you to watch other videos on my channel. If you like the way I'm sharing this content, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, this really helps my channel grow. One last thing, we all have technology, and we're all excited about all the innovation with the cloud and machine learning AI. But don't forget to carve out some time to live in the real world. Go outside, go swimming, go hiking, go climbing, go surfing, but get out and move your body. And if you do, let me know in the comments. I want to hear about this as well. And with that, have a great day.